Craft your irresistible offer. Okay, so from day one, you've already picked a target market to serve. And after that day one, you've already chosen the skill or the service that you want to offer. So for today, you are now ready to take the next exciting step in your journey, and that is crafting your offer. So this is the moment where your skill meets a problem and creates a real solution that someone will pay for. Okay, so what do you do? So this is the usual question that your prospective client will ask you as you connect with them later on. Okay, so what do you do? That will be your offer statement. Okay, so remember, people don't want to buy services. They want results. Client pay you because you have delivered the solution to their problems. Okay. So offer statement, this is a short and simple sentence that tells people who you help, so that is your target market, what problem they are facing. So these are the pains, the challenges with regards to their businesses and how you help solve it. So this comes your skill and the solutions that you can offer to solve their problem. So think of this offer statement as your introduction, your tagline, your quick pitch. You're gonna use this on your bio, even in your conversations or on social media, and even in sending direct messages. So your goal here to help people instantly understand what you do and why it matters. Now, to describe your skill and value that you provide, this will be stated in your offer statement. Okay? So crafting your irresistible offer. So remember, tailor fit your offer based on who your client, so that's your target market, and what they think they need. So that's why it's very important to research their pains, their problems, and their challenges. Because from there, we'll be able to know what they need and we can offer the solutions through our skill. So I do bookkeeping versus I help e-commerce produce timely and accurate monthly reports using QuickBooks Online. So the first one is very general. Unlike the second one, it's specific. You are targeting a certain market, which is the e-commerce, and then the result that you're going to deliver, that is producing timely and accurate monthly reports using online. So this will be your formula for the offer statement. So if you're going to craft your offer statement, here's the guide. I help you insert a specific market, insert the results your market wants using insert your skill. So using this format, you'll be able to formulate your offer statement. Okay, so you have chosen your target market and the skill, and you've already researched the market's problems. Now it's time for you to formulate and craft your offer statement that you're going to be placed or displayed in your bio, maybe in your Facebook profile or your LinkedIn profile, your Instagram, or even in your online job sites, okay, or online job profile. Okay, so offer statement, it is something that evolves. I know it's very new to you, but as what I've told to you, you do this, okay? And as you do each task every day, you will learn. Like I said, you learn by doing. So you can tweak that later when you dive deeper on your market's problems. So your offer, this is the big problem that you solve. So what's the big problem that you're going to solve for your target market? And that will be your offer statement. So like I said, clients pay you because you deliver solutions and you are paid to solve problems. So your target market assess this? Do they have the capability to pay you? Do they know the importance of your service? Or do you already have a warm network? Or do you enjoy working with them? So this will be your guiding format. Okay, so the first one, I help you insert the market and then results they want to achieve using or with your skill. Or I help insert your market and then place the results they want to achieve without their common struggle and or objection. Or I help insert a market and then results they want to achieve without their common struggle and or objection using or with your skill. So I'm going to show you some of the examples here. Okay. So I help e-commerce businesses get accurate and timely monthly reports using bookkeeping. So here, you help the e-commerce businesses. The result that they want is to get accurate and timely monthly reports, okay, using what skill? Bookkeeping. Another one is I help e-commerce businesses clean up messy books. So that's the problem without worry and stress. Okay, so it's imparting a psychological effect of having a clean books, okay, without worry and stress. Another one is I help e-commerce businesses get accurate and timely monthly reports without worry using bookkeeping skill. Okay. So remember here, why crafting your offer matters. It's because you will feel more confident talking about your service. Okay? And you attract the right clients because you're going to post this one in your profile or even in your online job sites profile. Okay? So may it be in Facebook, in LinkedIn, Instagram, okay? Or if you have an Upwork account, you will post your offer statement. So when your market checked your profile, they will see your offer statement. And then you stop sounding generic. Like we discussed previously, I do bookkeeping versus being specific in your offer statement. So you stop sounding generic like every other freelancer. And then you will use your offer statement, writing your bios, creating your posts, and even pitch yourself easier. Okay? Because you have a clear and specific offer in front of your target market, and you will have a stronger foundation to grow and price your services. Okay. So remember the 4 simple steps. Choose your market, pick your service, and then research what are the pains and the problems. Then you identify the pain or problem of your target market and use this format. Okay? So this format. Use this formula to craft your first offer statement. Okay, guys, don't worry about making it perfect. Like I said, you just have to do it. You can revise and refine it later. Right now, your job is to take action. Okay, so like I said, it's very important to craft your offer because we're going to attract right clients. We don't want to sound generic like every other freelancer. So this one sentence, your offer statement, it can literally shape the direction of your business. Okay? So don't forget, write your offer statement. Okay? Use the guide, this video, and the content inside our portal. And don't forget to post your offer statement inside the Facebook group. And tag your friends who are doing the challenge with you. And remember, progress over perfection. So just showing up today already puts you ahead. That's why we are doing this activity, because we want you to practice, to be visible, okay, to show up online. Since most of the time, okay, so like I said, we have this goal, we want to work from home. That's why starting today, okay, You have to show up. You have to be visible online. Okay? So you check your email for any content to student portal, okay? For the content, for the video, and if possible, you practice saying your offer out loud. It gets easier with repetition. And keep showing up because every day you take action, you are already building a real business. Okay? So, good luck.